you excited, Mike?
At least we're gonna swim in the rain.
Kahit maulan ang araw na ito, ay tuloy pa rin ang aming plano dahil nakaset na nga at nag-countdown na itong mga bata dahil gusto nga nilang maligo sa Paradise Island. Friday pa lang ay kinukulit na kami kung tuloy ba kami sa linggo. Kaya kahit napakalakas ng ulan ay for the go yarn. Pag mga ganitong request nila ay talagang naibibigay namin. Minsanan lang yan, pag nagsilaki ang mga yan, hindi nasasama sa'yo. Lubos-lubusin mo na, igala sila habang bata pa sila kaysa naman buong araw nakababad sa telepono. Mahilig kasi kami sa mga malalayong bakasyon. Kaya minsan lang kaming nagagayo dito sa Paradise Island. Nung makarating kami sa Samal, ay tumila na ang ulan. Makulimlim din, napakasarap magtampisaw na sa tubig dahil hindi ka mangingitim. Ikaw ba mga kapakas, ipinapasyal mo din ang iyong pamilya kapag ka-weekend? Yung entrance nila nasa mga 300 na. Dati-rati naabutan ko mga 100 plus pa. Huwag yun nang kwentahin anong taon yun. Basta bata pa ako, charity na lang Girl Scout si Mama Ising at may dala siyang cash. Ako kasi laging walang cash. Kaya siya na munang nagbayad para sa aming lahat.
Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold on me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard. Cause you're in my space and now I'm so hold me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away.
At bago magtampisaw, ang mga batang ito ay nag-order muna kami ng breakfast. And as early as 5:45 AM, nagsiserve na pala sila dito ng breakfast. Kaya pwede kang pumunta ng maaga dito.
Dad, you feel cold?
I'm still swimming.
Laren.
The wind is playing with your hair. I'm watching it painting circles in the air. You're smiling at me like only you could do. Like a perfect dream, and that dream is you. The sun is lighting up your face. We stayed up all night and listened to the rain. Like music kept on playing like a drum.
Pagkatapos nga naming maligo ay nag-ikot-ikot muna kami dahil marami ka namang pwedeng pasyalan dito sa loob ng Paradise Island Park.
To the animal section. In the small playground, the one.
Ayun lang po for today's video mga kapakals. Bye!